back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you Fidget. Before I do that, I just wanted to say thank you from Ninang Shell and Ninang Bell for the monkey noodle and the puppet.
Hey, I have a popsicle puppet now.
Kyrie. So today, I'm going to show you Fidget toys. I'm going to show you this first. This is a poppet, but it's glittery. Glittery poppet, big poppet. And also I have these two smushies. They're so cute. They're puppies, both puppies. So, Kyrie, oh yeah, you can play. Play the ones that I put here, Kyrie. Play with them, okay? And also, do you know Pokemon? Or you never saw the Pokemon puppet before?
Hey,
if you don't, I have a Pikachu puppet.
And then I like all these toys.
Pika, Pika.
Pika, Pika.
I'm going to show you all my monkey noodles. First, my monkey noodle is this stretchy blue monkey noodle unicorn. And second, I got this green monkey noodle. And now I got this pink monkey noodle. That's it's a unicorn one. Monkey noodles.
Monkey noodles?
Yeah.
How you play that one?
Just stretch it and play whatever.
Just stretch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me.
And I got one last monkey noodle to show you. Blue monkey noodle.
Blue monkey noodle.
Harry, that's also blue. And this, whatever it's called, comments below because I don't know what it's actually called.
It's a really cute.
No, it's not. I don't know.
It's a really cute.
It's not, Harry.
It's a monkey cheese.
Look, you could shape it to anything, a door or something like this, a heart. Just wait. Before we start the rest of the video, I wanted to say that thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For supporting.
And also one on my videos.
Look at this. You can make that too. Now I'm going to show you this kind of puppet that I don't know if it's a flower.
Look, it's sticky.
Wait.
See, Nika, look. It's sticky.
No,
Nika, look, it's sticky. Nika, look,
This
it's
is
sticky.
a flower puppet. Hurry, go get those. And now I'm going to show you the old things that I already showed you. Carrie's broken shark puppet. This circle puppet. This small unicorn puppet. And the last one, the old one, is this unicorn puppet. I literally have a lot. Do you know why there's 4 in this and 3 in this? Let me pop the 3. 3, done. 4, done. So these are so cute. Hey, literally. Now I have only 2 fidgets to show you. They are so nice. This is my little brother's.
Don't stow it.
Gary. And the last one I have that I already showed you is this Pikachu puppet, the Pikachu puppet. If you forgot it, I could show it again for you. Pikachu. So guys, we're not gonna leave yet. I'm just gonna hear the noise. Let's have a chat. Let's play a game.
Hey, what?
Try to guess what sound makes it. Okay. What sound is this? Is it a monkey noodle or a poppet? If you guess monkey noodle, it's correct. Okay, next one.
Next one is you have this.
Is this a poppet?
This is a
Or-
puppet.
A fidget toy?
A fidget toy.
A different kind.
Yeah.
If you guess it's a poppet, is. Next guessing.
Let me go.
Okay.
Okay.
Heel. Guess what this noise is?
Nico.
Is this a Carrie's popsicle poppet or a thing that's better? If you guess it's his popsicle pocket, yum yum. I bite it. Next fidget toy. If you guess this last one right, you will get. Oh my! Whew.
Oh my god.
Just gonna. Don't look.
Don't look. Don't look.
I'm done.
Don't look.
Do you think these are little smushies? Or, oh, I forgot to show you these. They're so smushy. What are they called? What are they? If you guess one of these things, you're correct. Or is it something else? If you guess these things, it's right. Ooh, feels so good.
On the field.
First, let's maybe show around the house.
So good.
I'm just gonna wait. Just wait.
This is a roasting.
Wait.